Good day, it's me, Carla. I'm a medical student, and for today's video, I am going to discuss and gonna show you the 10 herbal plants approved by the DOH. First is the Acapulco. Acapulco is also known as the bayabas-bayabasan or the ringworm bush in English. This herbal medicine is used to treat ringworms and skin fungal infections. So the part that we are going to use is the leaves. Second is the ampalaya. Ampalaya is also known as a bitter gourd or a bitter melon in English. It is most known as a treatment for diabetes mellitus for non-insulin dependent patients. So the part that we are going to use is the young leaves. Third is the bawang. Bawang is popularly known as a garlic. It mainly reduces cholesterol in the blood and hence helps control blood pressure. So the part that we are going to use is the leaves and the bulbs. Fourth is the bayabas. Bayabas in English is guava. It is primarily used as an antiseptic to disinfect the wounds. Also, it can use as a mouthwash to treat tooth decay and gums infection. So the part that we are going to use is the fruits and the leaves. Number 5 is the sambong. In English, it is Guinea campora. It is a diuretic that helps in excretion of urinary stones, and it can also be used as an edema. So the part that we are going to use is the leaves and the flowering tops. 6 is the chaang gubat. This herbal medicine is an effective in treating intestinal motility and also used as a mouthwash, since the leaves of these shrubs have highly fluoride content. So the part that we are going to use is the leaves. Number 7 is the olasimang bato or the pansit-pansitan. It is an effective in fighting arthritis and the gout. So the part that we are going to use is the aerial plant part area. Number 8 is the lagundi. Lagundi is known in English as a 5-leaved chase tree. Its main use is for the relief of coughs and the asthma. So the part that we are going to use is the leaves and the flowering tops. Number 9 is the niyog-niyogan. It is a vine known as a Chinese honeysuckle. It is an effective elimination of intestinal worms, particularly in Ascaris and trichina. So the part that we are going to use is the fruits. Only the dried matured seeds are medicinal crack, and ingest the dried seeds 2 hours after eating. So 5 to 7 for the children and 8 to 10 for the adults. If one dose does not eliminate the worms, wait for a week before repeating the dose. Number 10 is the yerba buena. It is commonly known as a peppermint. This vine is used as an analgesic to relieve the body aches and the body pain. So the part that we are going to use is the leaves and the sap of the plant. So it can be taken internally as decoction or externally by pounding the leaves and apply directly into the afflicted area. So now I'm gonna show you the steps in making guava tincture. So before making the herbal medicine, we're going to wash our hands first. Okay, first we need to gather the things that are needed. So first we need guava leaves, a bowl, a measuring cup, a scissor, a water, and a pot. Lastly, a colander or a strainer. First, we're going to wash the guava leaves. Okay, so I have here the guava or the bayabas leaves. So we're going to put 3 to 4 cups of water and we're going to boil it for 15 minutes. Okay, so we're going to put 3 cups of water or 4 cups of water, 3 to 4 cups of water. Okay, so now we are going to cut the leaves of the guava. And now we're going to put the guava leaves and wait for 15 minutes. So this is the result after 15 minutes. Okay, so now 15 minutes is done and now we're going to strain the guava leaves and we're going to let it cool. So this is the result of 15 minutes boiled guava, and here's the leaf. Use guava as an antiseptic by washing the wound or affected area at least twice a day. It promotes faster healing as a vaginal wash after childbirth. For the mouthwash, gargle the bayabas leaf decoction as needed. For the tooth decay prevention and gum health, for treatment of gum swelling and tooth decay, chew the fresh leaves of bayabas. So for the treatment of skin disorders, apply concoction onto the affected area with a cotton ball or a cotton pads.